Well, hey y'all, it's me, Ron, here again on Snapstring. So how'd you like to add a photo at the beginning of the video? Thumbnail, I guess they call it, right? Yeah, that's what it was like on the way here. I'm not sure if these guys are open. I'm here in New Jersey making a delivery at Nissan. Usually the gates are closed, and I gotta get on the intercom there and get somebody to let me in. They was open this time. I'll show you here in a second. This lot's cleaned out, but I still don't know if anybody's here or not. I don't know what, I gotta find out what's going on here. I'll flip you around and let you get a little gander here. You see, the lot's pretty clean. I'm sitting in front of, see that? There's one of our trailers there. There's one behind me. And one more on the other side of that one. But usually one of them first three there is where we get unloaded. I have dropped and hooked here before, but every other time it's been a live unload. And there's the gate. It's usually closed. And you notice the cars on the other side look like they've been here all night long. Because they got hit, the storm hit them. And I don't know if there's anybody over there or not. I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see. I'm supposed to be here for another 40 to 50 minutes, so I don't know, maybe I'll whip up some lunch and then I'll go in there. Alrighty, I'll be back with you shortly. Well, it's the next morning. I had to no one came in because of the storm that day, so they're doing business today. And before I go in there, I decided to whip me up some breakfast, and we'll end this on that because I'm going to be picking up at this same place, then heading down to Memphis, Tennessee. Go ahead and take a gander at my off-grid breakfast in a truck. I had done my English muffin and tater tots in the oven. Then I cooked my sausage and eggs on the skillet. Yeah, buddy. That's gonna be good. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. Get busy for the day. So that's all we got here today on the Snapstring. And remember to make things around you brighter, because this whole world's gonna take care of itself as long as you do good around you. Love y'all. See you next time. Bye-bye.